Hey guys, welcome back to Techness Arena, your code channel for all things tech. So, let's start a new exciting series where we'll solve problems related to data science and analytics. We're gonna cover a wide range of topics in this series, including Python, business maths and stats, where we'll be building logical thinking and problem solving abilities, and also be making our business ideas and analytical thinking strong. We'll start from basic business analytics problems and slowly proceed to advanced topics as well. Here I'll be explaining each and every concepts clearly and in simple terms, so you don't need to worry about not getting the concepts. Alright then, let's get into the problem statement right in. Okay, we have the following data set of sales figures for the first 4 months of the year. We have months with their corresponding sales figures. Our task is to calculate the average monthly sales figure for this period. Simple, right? But first, let's understand the key concepts involved. To solve this problem, we need to understand two main concepts, the average or mean and data analysis. First, the average or mean. The average is a measure of central tendency that helps us understand the typical value in a dataset. It's calculated by summing up all the values and then dividing by the number of values. Next, data analysis. This involves inspecting, cleaning, and modeling data to discover useful information and support decision making. For this problem, analyzing the sales data helps us understand the business's performance over the specified period. Calculating the average monthly sales is not just a math exercise, it's a crucial step in business analytics. It helps businesses set sales targets, evaluate performance, and make informed decisions based on historical data. Now let's calculate the average monthly sales. We can do this directly by using the mathematical formula where we sum up the sales figures for the 4 months and then divide by the number of months. But as we are using a Jupyter notebook, let's do it in an easier way. With this, we don't even have to calculate the numbers by ourselves. We already have a built-in Python module called statistics. As we are calculating the average monthly sales figure, we can use the mean function from statistics. So why not use that instead? Okay, let's import our statistics module. And we have our sales values. So we can store these values in a list and we can apply our mean values. We can apply our mean function and find out the average of the sales figure. For that, we can simply write statistics.mean and we'll pass sales. And here we got the result. 10,500 is our average sales figure. We can also do this using NumPy because we have mean function in NumPy as well. We'll write it same way, numpy.mean, and we'll pass sales. And we get the same result again. Another method is we can do using sum and length function. We can use sum of sales divided by length of sales and we'll get the result. Or we can use a mathematical formula as well where we sum up all the sales figure and divide it by the number of months. Here also we'll get the same result, 10,500. So the average monthly sales figure for this period is $10,500. And there you have it. The average monthly sales for the first 4 months of the year is $10,500. This simple calculation gives us valuable insights into businesses' performance. Understanding this average helps businesses set realistic sales targets, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. It's a fundamental skill in business analytics and an excellent starting point for anyone looking to dive into data science. And yeah, if it's too easy for you, then don't worry. We'll move from basic to advanced level.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.